Hello from Superior Van Mobility. Today we're looking at the BraunAbility Intervan XT conversion on the Dodge Grand Caravan chassis. With this full power conversion, you'll receive a 14-inch floor drop that will include a 29.25-inch ramp width and a 56.5-inch door opening height that can handle up to 1,000 pounds. It is also equipped with a power nil system to help with the ramp angle as you enter the vehicle. And once you're inside the vehicle, you notice that both front seats are removable. We have the front passenger seat taken out so you can see how much room is there for your wheelchair. This will give you multiple seating options. There are several buttons placed throughout the vehicle to operate the door and the ramp for easy access. The passengers in the rear will have retractable footrest. Above the footrest is the Braun override system for the ramp and the nil system. Carpet comes standard in all of our conversions, with the optional rubber flooring as an upgrade. Stop by your local Superior Van Mobility today for more information or visit us online at superiorvan.com.